Today's crystal is blue apatite. I literally reach into my basket of palm stones right before I go on my walk, and I pull one out. And sometimes I pull out and then put back a couple until the right one resonates energetically. And it is an intuitive way, my intuitive way of choosing a crystal or a palm stone, in this instance, to accompany me on my morning walks. And what does blue apatite help you do? It helps you to elevate your inner vibration and also open up your third eye. True, blue is generally for emotional healing, going with the flow, and soothing emotions. Blue apatite is also for opening your third eye as well as your throat chakra and helping you tap into or connect with your unlimited potential, your yet untapped abundance. And yeah, I'm on a street, so yesterday I worked on a project that I started about a year, maybe a year and a half ago, and just recently in the last 4 months have been really dedicating some time to, and it's Lemurian crystals, their markings and formations, the angels and archangels who are associated with each one. And why does that matter today? Because today I'm going to be doing a photo shoot, that's what I call it, of crystal kits that I've been working on for the last 30 days. And I want to open up my third eye. Now, did I know that when I actually picked up this blue apatite this morning? Not necessarily, but knowing what was on my agenda for today, blue apatite is the one that I connected with energetically. It's not about remembering all the metaphysical properties of every single crystal, mineral, and stone that you have. It's about being able to, or willing, to choose the one in the moment that resonates the best, because the energies that you're connecting with, whichever palm stone, point, cluster, raw, unpolished piece, is offering you in that moment. It is a way to let go of, well, should I do this one? Should I do that one? What is this one going to help me do? Is this the right one? And for today, yes, it is. And I do happen to be wearing blue. So there you go. So unlimited potential, tapping into it. Whatever potential you have already connected with, blue apatite will help you connect into the next energy, the next vibration, the next higher piece of whatever it is you need to work on. Communication, photo shoots, working with your clients, any and all of that. If you feel called to explore the crystals, the palm stones, any of the other shapes, spheres, obelisks, in my shop, Angel Lady Crystals Boutique, link is in the description. Got any questions? Let me know.